Here's how you avoid buying the wrong screen when performing a screen replacement. Whatever device you plan on fixing, locate the model number. Once you find that, you should be able to go on eBay, type in the model number and screen replacement, and you'll find the exact match for the device. That should be about it. Let's get started. What's going on, guys? Benji D here from GetFix, and today I'll be showing you how to perform a proper screen replacement for the iPad 4th generation. Here are the tools needed to do this: suction cup, prying tool, a blade, Phillips screwdriver, a second prying tool, I'll explain what that's for later, a heat gun of some sort, and that should be it. If you're in need of some great looking tools to get the job done, click here.
Step 1.
Take the heat gun or blow dryer. If you're allergic to being patient, then I recommend setting the heat gun on high. Pick a portion of the screen you feel comfortable starting with and begin heating it. You need to do this until the digitizer becomes too hot to touch. Step 2. Take the blade, gently slip in between the housing of the iPad and screen. Continue by working the blade through the adhesive as you heat the screen, making it easier to pry it open. Take the second prying tool I mentioned earlier. Use it to prevent the digitizer from bonding back with the adhesive. Avoid cutting into the antenna when you reach the base of the iPad. Patience plays a key role at this point.
Step 3.
Set the digitizer to the side to avoid any unnecessary tugging on the flex cable. Now take the plus head screwdriver, locate the home button on your screen, and remove the 2 screws behind it. Slowly peel out the home button flex cable from the glass. Careful not to rip it, or else you'll have to buy a new one in order for the button to work.
Step 4.
I know it's not a corner, but I don't know what else to call it, so in every corner of the iPad should be a total of 4 screws. You need to remove them in order to access the connections of the digitizer on the motherboard. Once these screws are removed, gently remove the LCD from the housing of the iPad. Try not to touch the LCD as I did, because it's a fingerprint magnet, and trust me, it's a pain to get off.
Step 5.
Locate the flex cable connected to a digitizer. Find where it's connected on the motherboard and gently disconnect it. Take the replacement screen you bought. You can find these for about 15 or 30 bucks on sites like eBay or Amazon. Connect the replacement screen / digitizer back into the motherboard and place the LCD back into place. Last but not least, step 6. Transfer the home button onto the new screen and screw the cable back into place. Hopefully the screen you bought came with adhesive strips to stick the screen back on, but if it didn't, try using the adhesive on the old broken screen. That worked fine for me. Once the adhesive has been applied, the only thing you need to do now is stick the screen back, and that should be it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to click the like button and subscribe. Anyways, guys, Benji D here from GetFix, and I'm out. Peace.
Hello, this is CyberDoc. Today I want to do a product review for our new product, Screwphilic Magnetic Screw Chart. It's essentially a magnetic screw mat for iPhone screw location placement. So the dimension of it, if you're familiar with this product, it's an A5 page of size. It's 9 inches horizontally and 6 inches approximately in width. So vertically is 9 inch times by 6 inch. It's single-sided magnetic mat. So this side is not magnetized, and this side it is. It's double-sided lamination, so it's tightly airtight sealed. You don't have to worry about UV radiation damaging your quality of the mat, or water, spilled coffee, you name it, even beer. It's resistant to scratch, so you can scratch all you want with the screwdriver or your nails. The mat will not be damaged. See? Okay, so giving say that to that, it comes in patterns of right now. Currently, we have the iPhone4 GSM for AT&T model, iPhone4 CDMA for Verizon and Sprint, iPhone 5 model, and iPhone 4S model, and iPhone 3G and 3GS. Every Mac comes with a color coding sequence. So this is the amount of screws, and based on the color coding, it shows you which one screws you want to unscrew first in order to get to subsequently the next one, in order to do a complete disassembly of the model, in this case iPhone 4S. This is an iPhone 4S, white iPhone 4S from Apple, and this is just to show you the size of the mat from CyberDoc screw mat. This is the size of an iPhone 4S. This is the size of the mat, which is more than enough for you to do the repair. It's a lot bigger than the other screw mat that's on the market. It was designed this way so you can see better when you do the repair. Okay, so we can say that these are the screw mats, and these are the screws. Let's test like how good these screws are adherent to the screw mat from CyberDoc. So now I place some screws in different orientations. Some are laying horizontally, some laying vertically. Obviously, the vertical one will have more traction to the magnet. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tilt the CyberDoc magnet to different degree of angle and shake it like this. So this is 60 degree or 45 degree actually. So I'm shaking. This screw moved a little bit, but it stays in the same location. It's just shake. Now I'm doing 90 degree. This is vertical cliff 90 degree cutoff. Look at the screws. Oh, there we go. Look at the screws. They're barely moving. I'm doing 90 degree right now, and let's do the complete 180 and shake. Okay, as you can see, 4 out of 5 screws are staying its original location. It has not been moved. Only one that originally was here that moved onto the side after a 180 shake. Sorry, 360 shake. No, what's that? 180 degree shake, not 360. Well, yeah, I turned it 180 and then 360. But anyway, this one moved out from its original location only because it's in the edges of the mat, and these 4 has been staying in the same location, being tracked even after a complete 180 turn. There you have it. This is the new product, CyberDoc Screwphilic Magnetic Mat M series. This is the M series. This is different from our original double-sided magnetic mat, given that the double-sided magnetic mat is an A4 size and these are A5 size, so it's half the size of the mat. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.